What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of Amazon Affiliate. Okay, but before I get into the content, if you are not already a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now because you're missing out on consistent content teaching you how to create the life that you want. My channel has to do all about making money online, doing product reviews, also teaching you the latest strategies and tactics to succeed online. And like I said before, to create that life that you want. And as well as I want to show you how I create the life that I want at the same time and be open and honest, okay? So go ahead and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss it, all right? So, Amazon affiliates. So if you don't know about affiliate marketing, first off, well, if you type this in the search in YouTube, you should know something about it. But if you don't, uh, affiliate marketing is basically where you, a middleman, sells a product that someone else makes and connects it to the audience that needs that product, right? So here's the person who made the product. Here's the person who needs the product. You are the person right in the middle that connects that product to the person who has a problem that needs that product, okay? And you get a commission. So that's basically what affiliate marketing is. And at any time in this video, if you want to learn step by step how to create a successful affiliate marketing business, step by step, over the shoulder training, go ahead and check out the first link in the description because it will take you step by step in detail on how you can build that for yourself, a substantial and sustainable business. Okay. But this video is all about making money on Amazon and being an Amazon affiliate. So first thing you have to do is you, of course, have to go to the Amazon affiliate program. So what's affiliate program.amazon.com. So once you go to the program, you'll have to sign up. So here's what it'll look like. I'm probably already signed in. Just get to sign out. Okay, so this is what the site will look like if you don't already have a login and an account. So you'll join now for free. Yes, it does not cost anything for you to be an affiliate marketer with Amazon or an Amazon associate. So you'll join now for free and you'll basically follow the prompt. It's easy. It's just like signing up for an email account, a Facebook account, or anything. You just follow the steps, email, address. The only tricky thing that comes on with Amazon associates or being an Amazon affiliate is that they have to pay you, right? So you have to link your PayPal account, some type of account, so that when you reach a certain threshold, Amazon will send you the money that you have earned, okay? So you have to do that, and you also have to fill in your social security number because they'll also send you a 1099 to file taxes, right? You got to pay off the SAM, unfortunately. But make sure you go through every detail like that. I won't go through it here, but make sure you do every step that Amazon associates is telling you to do, because if you don't, your account could get locked, it could get deleted, canceled, or you can just not be making money or not getting the money. So make sure you follow the steps that the tutorial sends you through step by step. Okay, so here I am. I'm signed into my account. Now, Amazon, as we all know, Amazon has a lot of products, and you essentially can make a commission off of every item that is on Amazon. But you have to have a link. Within affiliate marketing, most of affiliate marketing is done online or with some type of website, right? So you have to have a link tied to you for a specific product, right? So Amazon Associates, once you get your account, once you sign up and you get all your details in, all your account information is in that Amazon needs, what you're going to do is you're going to come down here into the search bar. And let's say, for example, the mic that I'm using here, the mic that I'm using is on Amazon, and I want to be an affiliate marketer, or I want to promote this product because it's just so great, it's so good. I want to promote it to others because I believe in the product, right? So what you'll do is you'll go here into the search box and you'll type in, this is a finite microphone. So you'll type it into the search box. Oh, gotta log back in. Let me type it back in. Okay. And so here's the microphone that I'm using right here, right? So let's say I come on YouTube, or I want to get some paid advertisements for this specific product. I'm going to come here to Amazon, type in the product name into the search bar, and then I'm going to come here and get link. I'm going to get link for my specific product that I'm doing a review on, or that I'm using, that I want other people to use or suggest other people to use. And I'm going to get that link. So you have two options. You can either have this banner, or what you'll basically have to do is, if you have your own website, or if you are going to pay someone who has a blog or has their own website with a lot of traffic, and you pay for ad or banner space, what you can do, Amazon gives you the HTML code here that you'll have to give that person who owns a blog, or put it on your own blog with this code. And what will show up is this banner with the product, the price, what it is, and that is from Amazon, right? So you can do it that way, but the way that I tend to do is I usually promote using just the link. So here's the standard link, right? Nasty, ugly link. You don't want to give your potential customers or anyone you're promoting this product to, you don't want to give them this link, because they're not going to click it. Usually this link says scam, spam, virus. So you want to give them a short link. If you give them that short link, you see it says AMZN, which is short for Amazon. I think that's even Amazon's ticker for their stock. Stock on the stock exchange. But this is the short link that you want to give your audience, or you want to give your potential customer, right? Whoever you're promoting the product to. So once you give them this link is tied to you. Okay. So this could be with paid traffic. This could be with free traffic. My advice to you is to try to get free traffic. If you don't have a blog, if you don't have some type of online presence with your own website, there's plenty of ways that you can start making money online without having all of that. What you want to do is either use YouTube, like I'm using here. You do a review on a particular product and get your Amazon affiliate link for that product, and send people to your description that has the link, and bam, that's a sale. You can have your links in your Instagram account, your Snapchat, or whatever social media platform you use, Facebook. You can have these links wherever and not have to pay for them, as long as you do a good job with sending that traffic. Well, number one, you have to find that traffic, but then you have to do a good job at sending that traffic to your link. Okay. So here's a link that you'll grab, you paste it, Control C or copy paste. It doesn't matter. And then paste it wherever you need to. Okay. And it's just that simple. And that's how you can start making money as an Amazon affiliate. Okay. But one thing I would suggest, like I said, use some free traffic, some ways of free traffic with social media. I can't suggest enough that you use YouTube, especially if you're doing product reviews, with technology, even books. I mean, you can, I'm pretty sure you can be an affiliate for books. Let's just say ebooks. Let's see if some ebooks come up that we could potentially promote. See, here we go. Becoming, Michelle Obama's latest book. If you have a motivational channel, or if you like reading books and you do a book review on Becoming by Michelle Obama, say, hey guys, check out the link in the description if you want to check this book out, to go get it for a free coupon, whatever you want to do. People will come to this link, they'll buy it for $15, and you'll get, I believe Amazon Associates is 20% commissions, 15 to 20%. You'll get 15 to 20% of that price. No, it's not a lot, but let's say you get 100 clicks on that book in 1 week and 10% convert. That means you had 10 people. Hey guys, sorry about that, my mic went out. But the last point that I was going to make is, with Amazon, one good thing that a lot of other affiliate programs don't have is cookies. So, well, every site has cookies, or if you don't know what cookies are, it's like a code that ties a specific person to a specific website. So when someone uses your link to check out the product that you're promoting. When they go to Amazon, Amazon stores them as a like cookie, or stores their specific IP address, the laptop they're using, their username specific to your account, right? So I think it only lasts for 2 days. So let's say they don't buy your product that you're promoting today, but tomorrow they come on Amazon and buy a buttload of products, you get a commission on that. So that's one important thing that I wanted you all to know, because that is big. You might be promoting one product, but if that person buys the product you're promoting along with other products that they put in their cart, that their URL, their basic cookie that's tied to them is also tied to you, so you get a commission off of the other products that they purchase as well, because Amazon says you referred that person to Amazon.com altogether, not just that one product. Okay, so that's big. That's all I had for you guys today. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, because you don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching this video, guys. See you tomorrow.